Hello po! It's Teacher Joy of Teacher Joylyn Online Review with the collaboration of NCV Reviewers. At ngayong araw na to ay magbibigay kami sa inyo ng 1 point in General Education. So this is good para sa lahat ng magte-take ng licensure examination for teachers this September na po. Ayan. So this is actual board exam question in Gen Ed. At ito na po ang ating tanong. The DepEd secretary in the Philippines who implemented values education was blank. Letter A, Sara Duterte. B, Lourdes Quisumbing. C, Arman Fabela. Or letter D, Leonor Briones. Pwede niyo pong i-comment ang inyong sagot sa baba. Bago natin sagutan at bigyan ng rationale ang ating katanungan, I would like to promote these NCV books of NCV reviewers at bilhin nyo po ito because this is very affordable. Ang kanilang books po ay authored by the famous authors, mga known lecturers, top-notchers, at hindi talaga sayang ang pera nyo dito. So, very reliable. Yung kanilang questions po ay naka-base siya sa TOS or Table of Specifications and napaka-relevant po ng mga tanong nila. Kagaya po nito ng mga sample natin. So, for civil service exam, dahil malapit na yung exam nyo, ang authored po ng CSE books nila, professional and sub-professional, ay si Miss Riza Teaching Math, 500k followers with 3.6 million viewers, and Ma'am Lenore Marcel. For LEP naman, or licensure exam for professional teachers, authored by Teacher Seppi with 1.3 million followers and 1.5 million viewers. And of course, for LEC or Licensure Exam for Criminologists, authored by LEC Top 1, Sir John Michael Bundalian, AMU, and our National Lecturer Franco Angelo Reyes. So, sobrang sulit and hindi talaga kayo maghihinayang, mag-regret, hindi talaga kayo magre-regret dito kapag in-avail nyo ang kanilang books ng NCV reviewers kasi aside from very affordable na siya, as yung mga questions talaga nila ay naka-TOS based, no? And yun, sobrang halaga nito, lalo na kung ikaw ay magte-take ng exam this August. So, bilhin nyo na everyone. Ang NCV Reviewers ay available na po nationwide sa mga national bookstores, pandayan bookstores, and of course sa libruhan. So, pwede na din po kayo mag-order sa kanila through online sa mga Shopee links po nila, or kung gusto niyo naman po, door-to-door na i-deliver po sa inyo, or kung gusto niyo naman sa mga physical stores nila. So, doon po kayo umorder sa mga nabanggit ko, sa mga legit po na mga stores nila. And of course, grab na po ninyo ito habang may enough time pa kayo para mag-aral. Para in just one take lang, no, pumasa na kayo agad sa exam this August for CSE and of course for September naman po ang para sa mga teachers. Ayun, so go back sa ating question. Ang ating sagot dyan ay C, Lourdes Quisumbing, that is letter B. Alright, so Dr. Lourdes Quisumbing served as DepEd Secretary and is widely recognized for formally strengthening and integrating values education as a core subject across all levels of the basic education curriculum. So, short background pa din tayo kay Lourdes. So, she served as Secretary of Education, Culture and Sports from 1986 to 1989, right after the 1986 EDSA Revolution. Ayun, so ang kanyang notable na contribution ay yung values education, no, as a distinct and required subject in the basic education curriculum. Ayun. So, she also helped align the education system with the values enshrined in 1987 Philippine Constitution, particularly the promotion of nationalism, ethics, and human rights. Ayun. What about the other option? Sara Duterte. So, si Sara Duterte naman po yung ating Vice Presidente ngayon dito sa Pilipinas. She served as DepEd Secretary 2024 to 2022 to 2024 to be exact. So, the main program was the Matatag curriculum, which simplified and improved the K-12 system. Ayan. So, si Arman Favela naman, ang ating letter C, served during the 1990s, known for strengthening teacher professionalization and pushing for better quality of education, but not specifically for values education. And of course, Lenore Briones, letter D, serve 2016 to 2022 naman po sa kanya, oversaw the full implementation of the K-12 basic education program and focus on inclusive access to education. So, tandaan nyo po yan, that is actual exam sa ating professional education na tanong. No, general education na tanong. So, ayun. So, anyways, ang ating books ay grab nyo na. NCV reviewers, don't forget, habang may available na books pa po sila nationwide. So, avail na po kayo habang may enough time din po kayo. Wag nyo na pong um, wag po kayong manghinayang sa pera nyo, yung panghinayangan nyo, yung time nyo na mag-review pa kasi mahirap po kapag naubusan kayo ng time then hindi nyo po naibigay yung best nyo para mag-review sana. So, yun po yung mahirap. So, yun. Habang may time pa, review, review, review. And magtiwala lang po kayo sa inyong mga sarili and papasa po kayo. Of course, pray po tayo palagi. So, once again, yun lang po. This is Teacher Joy and thank you so much for listening and for watching. Bye, everyone!